Hello, and thank you for joining us for another demonstration of the Climate Mapping Services Property Flood Report. A duplex listed for sale at over $500,000 is targeting investors, with both units currently rented, generating an annual income of $41,600. This reflects an approximate rental yield of 8.3%. However, Climate Mapping Services has evaluated the property and identified a significant risk of river flooding, along with some surface water flooding risk, though no coastal flooding risk. The river flood risk includes all return periods, ranging from once every 20 years to once every 500 years. Prospective buyers should carefully assess the impact that potentially high insurance premiums may have on the seemingly attractive rental yield. For instance, a $2,000 annual insurance premium would reduce the yield to 7.9%, while a $5,000 premium would lower it to 7.3%. Additionally, investors should consider the potential disruption to rental income in the event of a flood, which could affect the property until repairs are completed. Let's take a look at the river flood risk for this property. Here are three images illustrating the river flood risk for this property during a 1 in 20 year, 1 in 100 year, and 1 in 500 year event. The images indicate a potential for significant flooding, not just at the property itself, but also in the surrounding areas. Now, let's consider surface water risk for this property. Here are three images showing the surface water flood risk for the same property. Although the risk is less severe than the river flood risk, the property and surrounding areas are still vulnerable to surface water flooding, as depicted in the images above. Fortunately, this property has no exposure to coastal flood risk, even under a very severe one in a 500-year event. Thank you for watching. To generate your own report, please visit www.climatemappingservices.com.au and search for your chosen address. For bulk portfolio flood analysis, both for current conditions and future scenarios under different climate change projections, please email us at info@climatemappingservices.com.